Okay, this is www.carburetorsandmore.com. Testing this carburetor out for a guy named Richard. He got a pair of them. We got it stamped on the bottom, carburetor number 1. Okay, first of all, you're probably aware of the fact that this linkage over here is not hooked up. One thing about it, it appears to be all there. On the other carburetor, that's not there. Okay, the first thing we noticed when we started it up, we have not been started it up yet. First thing we noticed, the gasoline is pouring out of it like a river. So we put just enough in there to start it up, and we're going to see what happens. To see if it'll, could be a float stuck from travel. We don't know. We're not going to make any predictions that we can see through metal and find out, but we're going to start it up. Here we go. Okay, it's running. And right now it is running on half a side. Okay, the flooding has momentarily stopped, but it's only running on one side. You can go get the gas. It's surging. We're gonna watch it. It ain't that side. Hold it a minute. Hold it. Let me do some. Okay, come on over here where we can see you. Running extremely terrible. Okay, fuel is gushing in like crazy. That indicates either a hole in the float is sunk, needles stuck, or who knows what. Well, we're not pretending to see through metal. But this thing runs absolutely terrible. I'm going to shut the fuel off to where it'll lower the level down. Put it in gear and let's see if it'll pull a horsepower or two.
Right now?
Yeah. Okay, everybody get back out of the way. It'll pull when we get done. It's going to pull just fine. But it won't pull now. I got the fuel shut completely off. Okay, take it out of gear. I want to do it. The front end just gushing the gas in, and the back end is way lean. You hear it barking? Bop, 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 bop. That's wrong. Power valves are working correctly. Okay. Turn it down about 1,000,000 RPMs here. Okay.